Amber Cole, I'm very disappointed for you. Here I go. Amber Cole in the back of the school, sucking dick. Only 14 years old. What this girl be coming to? The world's ending. Amber Cole, you a slut, sucking dick behind the school, after school. Ain't time to go home, girl. You gay. 14 years old, sucking dick behind the school. What the fuck you doing? I just went and so hard. I make Lil Wayne wanna. Yeah, Amber Cole, you're sick. You're a disgrace. Terrible. You're a motherfucker. Yeah, Amber Cole. I'm mad. I can't rap. I know I can't rap, but I had to do it one time for Amber Cole. I'm not a star, bitch, but somebody lied. I got Chopper in the car for Amber Cole. Oh! Alright, Weezy. I'm Weezy for now. Amber Cole, sucking dick, 14 years old. Fuck you doing, girl? What's going through your head? It's posted. YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. We chatting about you, Amber Cole. Your world star hip-hop. Amber Cole, 14 years old, making a flick. What? She's famous. She made more money than me in 2 days. My mom can't afford that. Amber Cole, you're on YouTube, sucking dick. Facebook, giving head, Amber Cole. Amber Cole, I'm sorry. I gotta tell you, Junebug just went in hard for you. But I can't rap. I know I can't rap. I suck. My dog Stephen Joe Kelly Kid. Yeah, this video, yeah, boy. Amber Cole mad. Damn, I'm out. Like real nigga shit. I can't rap, but I'm out though. Fuck. Damn, goddamn. Amber Cole, what the fuck you got in your head? Goddamn, girl. I'm sweating like a motherfucker just by talking about you, bitch. Damn. That's what happens when you try to fit in. Stop trying to fit in. Shit. Are you fucking stupid? What the fuck? I'm done. Fuck you. Fuck you. I'm sorry. Fuck you like for real though.